The inquiry into the origins of human life. This complex question probes the intersection of biology, chemistry, philosophy, and spirituality, demanding an exploration beyond mere empiricism. At the heart of this inquiry lies the assertion that human life cannot emerge from the random interplay of matter. We will systematically dismantle the prevailing notion that random interactions among inert matters can yield living beings, particularly humans, whose existence is characterized by intentionality, consciousness, and profound complexity. To understand the argument against the emergence of human life from random interactions, we must first recognize the intricate nature of biological systems. Human beings are not merely collections of atoms and molecules. They embody layers of organization that work in concert to produce life. From the cellular level, where complex organelles carry out distinct functions, to the organizational level, where systems interact and talk to the environment, human life reflects an unprecedented degree of order that cannot be accounted for by random interactions alone. The principle of abiogenesis, the hypothesis that life arose from non-living matter through natural processes, attempts to bridge the gap between inorganic and organic substances. Proponents of this concept assert that, given the right environmental conditions and sufficient time, life could spontaneously emerge from a primordial soup of chemicals. However, this session is predicated on several assumptions that deserve a critical examination. One of the most significant presumption of self-organization occurring through random combinations of molecules. Research in the realm of biochemistry highlight the specificity and precision of molecular interactions that contribute to the formation of life. Enzymatic reactions, which are foundational to metabolic processes, exhibit an extraordinary degree of selectivity. Enzymes function as biological catalysts, facilitating reactions that would otherwise occur at negligible rates. These catalysts are highly specific to particular substrates, implying an ordered relationship dictated by molecular structure rather than random interaction. The contention that life, particularly human life, could emerge solely from chaos contradicts the evidence of such purposeful molecular specificity. The human genome presents a compelling counter-narrative to the randomness hypothesis. The genetic information encoded within DNA is staggering in both its volume and its complexity. The human genome comprises approximately 3 billion base parts arranged in a highly organized sequence that encodes the instructions for building and maintaining the organism. This genetic blueprint is not merely a collection of random sequences, but rather a meticulously orchestrated program. The precise arrangement of nucleotides reflects patterns that are essential for the viability of the organism, further illustrating the improbability of random emergence. Human cognitive and emotional abilities argue against the idea of random emergence. Self awareness, complex emotions, and abstract thinking are not just biological processes, but emergent properties of a highly organized system. Reflecting on his existence, ethical dilemmas, and forming social bonds show the complexity of human life. These attributes suggest a deeper intentional foundation to our existence rather than being explained by randomness. Philosophically, randomness raises questions about purpose and meaning. If life, especially human life, were to emerge without intention, one might wonder about the ultimate significance of existence itself. Theories positing the randomness of life led to nihilistic conclusions that undermine the richness of human experience. Conversely, the view that life is product of deliberate design or intricate order imbues human existence with a sense of purpose, challenging the notion that we are mere fortuitous by products of cosmic chance. This perspective invites us to consider the ethical implications of existence, fostering a sense of responsibility toward ourselves, each other, and the environment. In addressing the assertion that human life can arise randomly, it becomes crucial to consider the synthesis of scientific inquiry and philosophical reflection. While the random collision of items may indeed generate various transient states of matter, the leap from non life to life and furthermore to the rich multidimensional experience of humanity is marked by complexities that transcend mere chance. The driving forces of biology, genetic intricacies, and the emergent cognition of conscious beings are interwoven into a tapestry that is anything but random. The complexity and intricacies of human life, including biological systems, molecular interactions, genetic coding, and cognitive emotional aspects, suggests that randomness alone cannot explain our existence. To truly understand our origins and existence, we must appreciate the purposeful developments and extraordinary intricacies that have shaped humanity. Claiming that human life arises from randomness undermines the sense of what it means to be alive as conscious beings with purpose, creativity, and the ability to form deep connections. Through a moment of contemplation, it becomes evident that life is a harmonious blend of purposeful precision, intricate complexity, and alluring aesthetics, prompting questions about how randomness fits into the picture among the intelligentsia.